at the country's trajectory on crime. Look at the country's trajectory on infrastructure maintenance and investment. Look at the trajectory on capital skills and flight. Look at the trajectory on load shedding.
What the Freedom Front Plus wants to hear is specific action plans and also the implementation plans of those actions.
Our country is in a mess. Lawlessness, the level of crime in this country is very disturbing. It is a free-for-all.
ACDP expects the President to urgently announce solutions to Eskom's load shedding, which is having a devastating impact on households, businesses and the economy as a whole.
Singumbutho we-African Transformation Movement kasikhangela intetho ezayo yobume besizwe kamnumzana uRamaphosa siyibona njengeyona ibalulekileyo kunazo zonke akhe wazinika ngaphambili ngoba ingqamene ngqo nokuba yena egqiba iminyaka emihlanu njengomongameli welizwe loMzantsi Afrika.
The President has the power and the opportunity to begin to turn the nation's somber mood around, and good calls on him to use this power by announcing 3 real commitments in this year's SONA.